Hi, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MSc Physics assignments MPH 002. And before starting this, I want to share something. If you need answers, अगर आपको इसके आंसर चाहिए तो you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368238. Kindly note this number 9009328, and we provide all the solution in a PDF form in a WhatsApp. And if you need answers, so you can contact by messaging or calling also. So here this first question that we are discussing here. A particle of mass m moving to the right with an initial velocity u collides elasticity with a particle of unknown mass m coming from the opposite direction. After the collision, m has a velocity u by 2 at the right angles to the incident direction, and m is deflected back, making an angle of 45 degrees towards incident direction as shown below. Calculate the ratio m upon m. So in this one, there are the two diagrams earlier, before and after. And if you want to know the answer of this question, so you can context without any hesitation. We provide all the solution of all the assignments in a day if you need. So kindly contact us. Thank you so much for watching.